Welcome to the 2025 HardTech Summit. Let's get a round of applause, get the excitement up.
There's a lot of activity throughout the space. Downstairs, that's our showcase. Over 50 teams are out there showcasing their technologies. On the third floor, we're having pitches, and then immediately following is going to be the Fourth Revolution Awards.
I think financially, the Midwest is very accessible in terms of resources. Certainly within my sector, land and water resources are very important. In education, not just the strong higher ed, but also the trade schools and the broader access to workforce.
Advanced manufacturing is not a destination. It's the ongoing journey. It's the ongoing process to continue to move forward.
We're only the best when we're all together. We're not the best when we stand alone. And so being able to bring the team together in the Midwest to drive funding, drive investment, drive people here, that's the only way we're going to continue to differentiate.
When you treat design not as something you think about at the end, but something that's inherent in your business and inherent in the products and services you build, just like you would say the same for engineering or technology or marketing or sales, then you do pretty well.
Then there's an after party, right?
And then there's an after party.